Ram recently introduced a 702 horsepower half-ton pickup. It is my favorite truck by far. All-time four-wheel drive. Maybe not the best fuel mileage you're expecting, but if you want fun, that's the truck. 700 horsepower and a half-ton Ram. It is exciting.
And I love Rams because, I drive one too. Here's mine.
Thank you for calling Bartlesville Chrysler Dodge.
I'm extremely proud at how the staff interacts with each other. A lot of stores you'll have a separation between the service department and the sales department, or the finance department and the accounting department. And everybody just does what they need to do to work together. And it's rare to have that. It's cool to have it. And that's why we succeed. It's amazing. The culture, the feel when you walk in, the lack of pushy salespeople. It's just, it's cool. You just got to come check it out for yourself.
Bartlesville CDJR. Call 888-432-1376 or go to BartlesvilleChryslerDodgeJeep.com.